Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to interpret HMB-C spectra. HMB-C, or heteronuclear multiple bond correlation, is a powerful two-dimensional NMR technique. It helps us understand molecular structure by showing correlations between protons and carbons that are separated by 2 or 3 bonds. This provides vital information about the carbon skeleton and connectivity, which is often difficult to obtain from one-dimensional spectra alone. When you look at an HMB-C spectrum, you'll see crosspeaks. These peaks indicate a correlation between a proton signal on one axis and a carbon signal on the other. Specifically, they highlight carbons that are 2 or 3 bonds away from a particular proton. This allows you to jump across quaternary carbons or other non-protonated carbons, providing crucial connectivity data. To interpret an HMB-C spectrum, first identify all your proton and carbon signals from your one-dimensional NMR data. Then, systematically examine each proton signal and its corresponding crosspeaks. Each crosspeak connects a proton to a carbon 2 or 3 bonds away. By mapping these connections, you can piece together the carbon framework and confirm the positions of functional groups. While HMB-C primarily shows 2 and 3 bond correlations, you might occasionally observe weaker 4-bond correlations. Always cross-reference your HMB-C data with other two-dimensional NMR experiments like HSQC and COSY for a comprehensive structural assignment. This multi-technique approach ensures accuracy and confidence in your results. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.